Hello from Dubai, guys. Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today I'm going to talk about a project called Capital X. Is it worth your investment or not? And I'm gonna be completely honest. Stick with me until the end because this will be a short and important video, guys. So let me show. First of all, you can invest your money. Basically, you sign up for an account, and then, for example, let me show you guys. 90%, you get 3% daily for 30 days. Altogether 90%, 120% in 24 days, 200% after 2 weeks, 250% after 1 week, or after 120 hours, 300%. So first of all, guys, if you've been subscribed to this channel for a long time, you know what are we looking for? We are looking for the red flags. What would be red flags? Number one, has the contract been audited? This contract, no, there is no audit. They don't even show the contract address or anything. So first big red flag. Second, has the team been KYC? This means do they show their faces? Did they show their passport or whatever kind of document so that you know who is behind the project? No. Second big red flag. And then number three, is there any substantial thing that could somehow make this sustainable? Basically, they say they have some trading bots or something like this. You see, advanced AI technology, trading bots, blah blah. But guys, if you really have a trading bot and if this is really working, why don't you show the contract? So guys, there are so many red flags. Many red flags. As always, guys, do your own research before you invest your own money. But first of all, we are here to make money and not to lose money. So first of all, you have to keep your money to make this amount of money more. So would I tell any friend that this is a good project to invest in? Of course not. Yeah, of course not. Too many red flags, actually just red flags. Most likely, I would say after a couple of days or weeks, this will be gone. And as of right now, if you invest right now, it's a Ponzi, you know, let's say if they pay out any kind of profit right now, this will be generated by new users depositing their money. Once this stops, there will be no payouts, and you never know. Okay, let's say if there is enough money in the contract, maybe they decide in 1 hour or maybe in 1 day to take all the money and don't give you anything. So many red flags, guys. I would not invest in this project. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.